Hi there, students. Theodicy. Theodicy. Okay, this is a noun, an uncountable noun. Okay, you will find this word in the realm of theology and religion. And theodicy is about the question of how God can exist when there is evil in the world. You'll quite often hear people say this, that if there's evil in the world, if bad things happen in this world, if there are unjust things that happen in this world, how can God exist? And theodicy is trying to provide a good reason or a good explanation for this this thing. So theodicy is trying to reconcile a good and a good God with a world that contains evil, a world where evil things happen. So it's very difficult sometimes to produce theodicy for a horrendous event that you see. So this is effectively some sort of vindication of the existence of God, despite the fact that evil exists. I think probably it's very easy to explain that if God exists, then he's so complicated that this is something that maybe we as humans will never understand, because we're just too ignorant. We're not able to understand it. But theodicy, theodician as an adjective, a theodician theory. So this is talking about the theology which defends God against the objections that come from moral and physical evil, because clearly there is evil in this world, and therefore, how could a God that is good allow this? Okay, so theodicy is a justification of a deity, despite the fact that there are people suffering in this world. And how can a good God allow this to happen? I think it's probably quite a reasonable theory, or quite a reasonable question. Yeah, so effectively it's resolving the problem of evil, that in a world where so many evil things can happen, then how can there be a God in that world? I think maybe another difficult question would be the definition of evil. I think probably the definition of evil or bad is the outcome of things, but that doesn't actually talk about the reasoning behind it. So anyway, theodicy, this is a very formal word. I'm going to give it 8.5 in formality. This is something that only philosophers or people in religious studies would understand. And let's see, this comes from theos, God, and dike, justice. In ancient Greek, theos, God, and dike is justice in ancient Greek. This was actually first used by Gottfried Leibniz in an essay of his about the origins of evil. Okay, so theodicy, a justification of the existence of God, despite the fact that so many evil and horrible things go on. Okay, so theodicy. This you're going to use in a very formal essay, yeah? So right up there. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Theodicy.